Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'll just cover the advantages. Again, it's a theory. I thought I should create a video for this because we have been asked this question in the interviews that why we should go for Franklin. What is extra we are getting in this Franklin project, right, etc. So I thought I will create this video also. Okay, the documentation says it provides high impact experiences. To be true, we get the same in AEM also. Fast authoring and development. Okay, with AEM also we get it. Okay, this is good. Perfect lighthouse score. So documentation says it we can achieve even 100 lighthouse score. Okay, that's interesting. This is good. Google Docs, Microsoft Word. Yeah, this is also an interesting technology to introduce. Actually, I mean, think for AEM authors, we need that knowledge transfer, right? They need to learn how to use the functional components, how do we author them, etc., to get a particular look and feel, etc. It's user experience. Now, if a person is not knowing AEM sites at all, still Google document, at least the Microsoft Word document, it's since ages, so people know how to use the documents, etc. So for a non-AEM background person also, it is easy to author the content. And then of course, I mean, developers will push the code to get it is easy. And then interesting point, Sidekick browser extension, easy to install, and then using that we can preview and publish the content. It AEM sites as well as this Franklin project, they can exist on the same domain. Another good feature. And content from edge delivery services can easily be consumed by your AEM sites pages and vice versa. This is also a good feature. Build less approach that runs directly from GitHub repo. So it says build less. It means no need to deploy the build the code. As soon as you push the code to GitHub repo, that bot will do that for you, and the latest code will be available. And then GitHub bot automatically creates websites for each of your branches. So and it says for preview, this will be the URL. For publish, this will be the URL. And if you see the difference, I have already explained earlier also. For preview, hlx.page. For live, it's hlx.live. I will when we will do the I will do the demo, we will see how we are going to achieve it. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.